Welcome to the TheCrx. Today's another beautiful day to be working on the car. We're going to be working on removing the door handle and the door latch. We're going to start by removing the door handle, the door latch, and the door release. There's two 10mm bolts right here on the side. We'll start off by removing those. Then I'm going to remove these screws here. Let's get to it. We're going to start removing the two 10mm bolts right here on top. You guys gotta be careful, you guys don't drop it. So now that you get it out, all you gotta do is lift it up a little bit and just be careful you won't scratch it and just start spinning it. Just remember how far the grooves right here are from the top into the bottom. You lift up and you spin it off. Trying to be careful not to scratch the doors. Just be careful. Alright, that's it. It took me about 45 minutes to do both sides. That's all I have for today's video, man. Make sure you guys catch me on the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.